How to use advanced diagnostic function, using complex fault analysis AI technology, on MOTOSCAN tab. Welcomes to DTD Auto, and MOTOSCAN tab. For example, this is a FI motorcycle, after a period of use that has high fuel consumption, but the check engine lamp does not light up. You can see that the air mixture ratio is rich, which means high fuel consumption. In this case, there are two ways for you. You can use the live data function to analyze the cause yourself based on the current engine data. Or you can use advanced functions in MOTOSCAN tab that engine automatically analyze using AI technology to find position of faults. Now, let's connect MOTOSCAN tab to the motorcycle to use the automatic analysis function, using AI technology to find faults. This is a function that is only available on MOTOSCAN tab, and is not available on cheap tools and low technology. Select gasoline engine. Select Honda. Select Find Vehicle automatically.
Air blade 2013-2014.
Select Read Fault Code function. The MOTOSCAN tab asks you, there are no fault codes stored in the ECM. Do you want advanced diagnostics? Select function, Automatic Fault Analysis, AI technology. Select function, Excessive Fuel Consumption. Attention to read carefully MOTOSCAN tab notifications on the screen.
Mandatory requirements before performing this function. Make sure the battery is still good. Make sure the combustion chamber pressure meets technical requirements. In-depth inspection of the throttle position TP sensor is good. The spark plug spark intensity and ignition angle have been checked to meet the requirements. Fuel pressure was tested to reach 2.5 kilograms per centimeter to 3.5 kilograms per square centimeter.
Check all of these requirements in advance. If all meet the above requirements, press the right button to continue. Require. Start the engine at idle speed, ralenti, for about 5 minutes. Please wait about 3 to 4 minutes for MOTOSCAN tab to collect data, connect to the server and analyze itself using AI technology.
Report. Fuel consumption exceed 30% of standard. Information. MOTOSCAN tab is working. Please wait. Require. Use P-tester to check fuel pressure. Answer in question. Is fuel pressure higher than 4-5 kg?
If you have checked the fuel pressure according to the initial requirements of MOTOSCAN tab, and the fuel pressure is less than 4.5 kilograms per square centimeter, then you will select the left button to continue.
Suggestion and repair. Worn clogged injector, replace new injector.
Thus, MOTOSCAN tab has finished analyzing and reporting the faults, suggesting that the fuel consumption is more than the prescribed level due to worn or mechanically stuck injectors. or using injectors that do not match the vehicle's specifications. In this case, we should check, clean or replace the injector according to technical standards. After replacing the new injector according to technical standards, we check the air mixture ratio, AF ratio. Great, the engine's AF ratio has met the standard. So the repair was successful. It's fast and accurate with eye-powered technology from MOTOSCAN TAB. So you have seen the great display features of MOTOSCAN TAB that are only available in MOTOSCAN TAB. We will send you the next video clips about other great functions on MOTOSCAN TAB. Please like and share for many of your colleagues to know. Thank you, goodbye, and see you soon again.